For us, the most successful implementations for customers have been where we've led with a strategy conversation and not a technology conversation.
Yep.
Right? The strategy around cost takeouts and rolling it out globally, global templates for you to take advantage of that. So how are we going to build it out so that it doesn't unlock value in a plant in one state, in one country, and then you're stuck with that. Right? So what's your strategy to unlock cost, take it and deploy globally, and how does technology then play a part in that? Right? So that's one part of the conversation. Another category really is about the business model changes, right? Because we increasingly see manufacturers wanting to go into what Nitesh said earlier about servitization. We have a product, customers are using it. How do I engage with the customer and how do I monetize that engagement opportunity? And we've seen that it's easier in defining ROI for cost takeout opportunities. It is, one asset gives X, we have 500 assets, 500 X is your opportunity, right? Not so much in new business model creation, it's a little more engaged, which is where this research about, what is the possibility and what we can unlock is. But I think that's extremely exciting because that opens up new revenue streams, new customer engagement models.